I will kick it off with gaming and creators, and then Ali Khani will talk about developments in autonomous vehicles. Gaming is huge. People no longer ask if it will keep growing. Of course it will. Now the question is, how big will it get? For these gamers, we've built GeForce Now, delivering GeForce class gaming to over 15 million members around the globe on Chromebook, Macs, Shield TV, Android and iOS phones, and underpowered PCs. GeForce Now has over 1,100 PC games, including 90 free-to-play, from the leading PC game stores including Steam, Epic Games, Ubisoft Connect, and EA Origin. And extending our partnership with EA, I'm excited to announce that Battlefield 4 and Battlefield 5 are available on GFN starting today. Last month, we launched a beta version of GFN on LG 2021 WebOS smart TVs. Today, we're pleased to announce a partnership with Samsung to integrate GeForce Now into their smart TVs. Starting in Q2, Samsung smart TVs will be streaming PC-class gaming with GFN. A decade ago, we introduced the 50-class GPU, offering gamers great performance on the latest architecture at an affordable price. It was the first step up into GTX gaming. In fact, 3 of the top 5 GPUs on Steam are GTX 50 class, and one of the most successful is the GTX 1050. When it was released in 2016, the GTX 1050 could power the top games of the time at over 60 frames per second. But the production value of games continues to rise, and modern games need much more GPU horsepower. The GTX 1050 struggles to keep up. Even a 1050 Ti or the more modern GTX 1650 can't power the latest games at 60 frames per second. Today, we are announcing the RTX 3050. The GeForce RTX 3050 brings the performance and efficiency of the Ampere architecture to more gamers than ever before. It powers the latest games at over 60 frames per second. Based on our Ampere architecture, the 3050 comes equipped with 2nd-generation RT cores for ray tracing and 3rd-generation Tensor cores for DLSS and AI. For the first time, you can play ray trace games on a 50-class GPU at over 60 frames per second. Ray tracing is the new standard in gaming, and the 3050 makes it more accessible than ever. The RTX 3050 comes equipped with 8 GB of G6 memory, and starting at just $249, it will be available worldwide on January 27th from all of our partners. We also offer our own studio apps, with the latest edition, NVIDIA Omniverse for 3D design and collaboration. Today, we are announcing that NVIDIA Omniverse is out of beta and generally available to GeForce RTX Studio creators. We are partnering with over 40 ISVs to transform 3D workflows. Today, Omniverse is connected to leading applications like 3ds Max, Maya, Blender, Unreal Engine, and many more to come. We now have several new additions to Omniverse. Today, we are announcing an even easier way for artists to collaborate with Nucleus Cloud. Now in early access, Nucleus Cloud simplifies Omniverse scene sharing. It's one click to collaborate, and your entire 3D scene is online. Leading 3D marketplaces are now featuring Omniverse-ready assets. Check out the collection of free assets now available in the Omniverse launcher. NVIDIA Studio also features Canvas, our application that instantly converts brushstrokes into photorealistic images. Today we are announcing a major update to the Canvas AI. Built from NVIDIA's Gauguin 2 research, the latest app produces images that are 4 times higher resolution, with more detailed elements. It also adds new materials like flowers and bushes. The new Canvas app is available free to download at NVIDIA.com. Gamers and creators have made GeForce high-performance laptops the fastest-growing category in PCs. In the last year alone, 35% more RTX laptops were sold, and creators have fueled a 3x jump in studio laptop sales. We are announcing over 160 new laptops, all built around our RTX 30 series GPUs. They include a wide range of form factors, like dual screen, easels, and convertibles. There are new 14-inch portable powerhouses and even more G-Sync and 1440p displays. We developed a system design approach that delivers high performance in thin gaming and studio laptops. We called it Max-Q. It has fundamentally changed how laptops are built. With the help of AI, we optimize everything. The GPU, CPU, fans, display, board design, laptop construction, even optimal settings for games. Today, we are announcing the 4th generation Max-Q technologies. Let me show you what we've done. On laptops, power is shared between the GPU and CPU. CPU efficiency is critical for maximizing performance, so we developed CPU Optimizer. We've worked with CPU vendors to create a new, low-level framework enabling the GPU to further optimize the performance, temperature, and power of next-generation CPUs. As a result, CPU efficiency is improved and power is transferred to the GPU for more gaming performance. For creators and students who rely on compute-heavy apps like Adobe Premiere, Blender, or MATLAB, we've developed rapid core scaling. It enables the GPU to sense the real-time demands of the application and use only the cores it needs. This frees up power that can be used to run the active cores at higher frequencies, delivering up to 3 times more performance for intensive creative work on the go. On top of the great performance, laptop gamers also want more battery life. Battery Boost 2.0 has been totally re-architected. Now, AI controls the whole platform, finding the optimal balance of GPU and CPU power usage, battery discharge, image quality, and frame rates, all in real time. The result is great playability on battery, with up to 70% more battery life. Our 4th generation of Max-Q technologies with CPU Optimizer, rapid core scaling, and Battery Boost 2.0 continues our commitment to bring thin, high-performance laptops to gamers and creators. Today, we are announcing the RTX 3080 Ti laptop GPU, bringing the flagship 80 Ti class of GPUs to laptops for the first time. Featuring 16 gigabytes of the fastest GDDR6 ever shipped in a laptop, the RTX 3080 Ti delivers higher performance than the desktop Titan RTX. RTX 3080 Ti laptops start at $2499. The RTX 70 family is our fastest growing class of laptop GPUs. Introducing the RTX 3070 Ti. It's 70% faster than the RTX 2070 Super laptops and delivers 100 frames per second at 1440p. RTX 3070 Ti laptops start at $1499. And laptops powered by both of these new GPUs will be available starting February 1st. Over the past 20 years, we have dedicated ourselves to building the ultimate platform for gamers and creators, and today we continue that journey. But there's one more thing. The RTX 3090 Ti, a monster GPU, 40 shader teraflops, 78 RT teraflops, 320 tensor teraflops, 24 gigabytes of 21 gigabit per second G6X memory, the fastest ever. The RTX 3090 Ti, our next BFG PU. Tune in later this month for more details. Now, let me hand it over to Ali Khani.
Thanks, Jeff. I'm here to talk about autonomous vehicles. It's perhaps the most intense AI challenge, but it's also one with the greatest benefits to society. It will save lives, make roads less congested, and change the way billions of people move around the world. There are 3 core pillars of the machine learning pipeline being developed at NVIDIA to create automated driving solutions that can be used by the transportation industry. We've created this end-to-end automotive platform in modules so that our partners can use exactly what they need to speed time to market and build a product that can stay true to their brand. We have some partners that just buy our chips and core operating system while developing their own software applications. Other partners like Mercedes-Benz rely on us across this entire stack, from our self-driving software running on NVIDIA Drive computers in each car to training AI models in the cloud, synthetic data generation, vehicle validation, and testing of new features through simulation, which finally get pushed over the air into each Mercedes-Benz vehicle. Developing an autonomous vehicle requires an entirely new platform architecture and software development process. Both the hardware and software must be comprehensively tested and validated to ensure they can handle the harsh conditions of daily driving with the stringent safety and security needs of an automated vehicle. This is why NVIDIA has built and made open the Drive Hyperion platform. which specifies a high-performance computer and sensor architecture that meets the safety requirements of a fully autonomous vehicle. Today, we are in our 8th generation of Hyperion. It has been adopted by hundreds of automakers, truck makers, Tier 1s, and robotaxi companies. Hyperion 8 is designed with redundant drive-oriented computers, 12 state-of-the-art surround cameras, 9 radar, 12 ultrasonics, 1 front-facing LiDAR, and 3 interior sensing cameras. It's architected to be functionally safe, so that if one computer fails, there's a backup available to ensure that the autonomous vehicle can drive its passenger to a safe place. Now, I mentioned earlier that developing AV is a grand AI challenge. At the heart of AI model development, we need the ability to collect a lot of data and accurately label it to allow our AI engineers to build accurate and safe AI models. Labeling real-world data can be time-consuming, costly, and difficult. In fact, often, the data we are most interested in using is also data that's the most challenging to label. Here are some examples from our own data set that are difficult to label, including scenes that are dark, blurry, or hazy. Others contain scenes that are challenging to understand, like occluded vehicles or pedestrians. We also have many scenes that are not often encountered, like construction zones. These issues are the reasons why AV developers need a mix of real data and synthetic data when developing their AI models. Because of all these labeling challenges, NVIDIA has built DriveSim Replicator, a synthetic data generator for autonomous vehicle development. Replicator helps our AI engineers to build up hard-to-label ground truth data by synthetically generating them from virtual cameras, LiDAR, and radar sensors within our Omniverse simulation platform. In this way, engineers can train AI models even before any real data has been collected. And Replicator can label ground truth in ways that humans cannot, tracking moving objects across sensors, velocity, distance, occlusion, and severe weather conditions. It's a really powerful tool for the AV developer. It's accurate, low cost, and it fills in gaps for data not easily found in the real world.